Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to overdraft SECU and how you can set up an overdraft with SECU, right? SECU is something like, it's called, the full form is State Employee Credit Union, if you don't get confused here, right? So how you can do it? So first of all, you have to go to this website. You have to do nothing. You have to just go to Google and search for SECU and you will get this option, Overdraft Transfer Service, right? And here you are on the top right, you will get this option of sign in option. You have to enter your user ID as well as your password and click on sign in. So once you have clicked on sign in, and here first of all, these are some of the important information which I have mentioned here. So here, funds are transferred from your linked saving account to covered overdraft. A pre-approval line of credit is used to cover overdraft. Transfer from another SECU checking or saving account to cover overdrafts. Then you have to review your account, basically visit the SECU, and as I told you, you have to log in into your account and ensure you have the necessary account saving line or saving line of credit set up for the overdraft protection. So how you can set up your overdraft protection? So you, here I mentioned here three steps to do this. The first one is you have to visit the branch of the SSCU. The easiest way to set up an overdraft protection is by visiting a branch, or you can just call on this number, right? This is very important. Once you have done that, inform the representative that you want to set up overdraft protection. Specify whether you want to link a saving account, set up a line of credit, or use another checking account for the overdraft transfer. You may need to fill out the sign some form to authorize the overdraft protection setup. The representative will guide you through the process. The fourth step is the easiest one. You can just do it online. If you know how to do it, you can follow the steps here. Go to the SECU website and log in into your online banking account, as you can do it from here. Look for an option such as account service or overdraft protection in the menu. The exact location sometimes change, but generally you will find it in the search bar, right? Then here you have to select the type of overdraft protection you want, such as link saving, LOC, etc. Follow the prompt to link. Basically, they will ask you to confirm. Click yes or no, review your selection and submit a request. You may receive the confirmation when the setup is complete. Now after that, you can monitor your account. Regularly monitor your account balance to ensure overdraft protection is working as expected, right? Now you can just review the statements and everything. And here I have mentioned one more important consideration, that is fees, limits and TOC. Make sure you just go through it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.